A daemon thread group is automatically destroyed if its last thread is stopped or its last thread group is destroyed. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. There are two methods for the daemon feature of the thread group, isDaemon and setDaemon. Both methods are public and final methods. The method isDaemon returns boolean. The method isDaemon checks whether a thread group is a daemon or not. Or we can set a thread group as daemon. If we pass here true, then the thread group will be set as daemon. In this video, we are not going to use these methods practically because using these methods are very obvious. We already have used these two methods for threads. Only difference is that if a thread group is daemon, then we do not need to destroy it manually. A daemon thread group gets destroyed automatically when its last thread comes to an end or its last child thread group gets destroyed. And if a thread group is not a daemon, then we need to destroy that thread group by using the destroy method. That we will see in the later videos of this session. So I hope you got all my points. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.